passenger seat's similar, so I'll show you guys how to do it. There's four 14 bolts that hold the seat together. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I'm going to remove the 2 in the front first. You can push this thing back all the way. Two bolts in the front. I'll put them in here. Up. Slide the seat forward. We're going to go in the back. So the front bolts, they're exposed. You can see them very easily. The rears, you're going to have to remove these covers. I don't know if you can see or not. There's a little black clip you got to push. And they pop out. Right here. Push that down. They slide out. Same here. Aha! There he goes. The front seat has 2 black bolts. They're exposed. The rears have these colored ones. Now let's roll this thing back. Slide the seat back and push it. There's going to be wires underneath this thing, and it's got a couple plugs. Got to unplug them, so I don't know if you can see or not. Do my best to. Need a clip remover. There's a clip down here that needs to be removed. There's one more. There's 3 on this side. And this side's a little easier to come out. You could put the seat back down, and usually if you fold the seat open like this, it slides out a lot easier. Just try not to nick anything, but see how it comes out just smooth. Make sure the door is open all the way so you don't nick the door panels. And there you go. That's how you remove a seat. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this headrest. I don't know, maybe a dog chewed it up or a bear got in the car and chewed up the headrest. Who knows? Or maybe you just want to take it off. If you pull up on it at certain spots, it's gonna stop. There's a little button right here. If you push this button, this thing will come out all the way. It's got 3 notches here. That's what holds it in. There's a little thing right here. Going back in, you're gonna have to push this back in, and then this thing will slide in. Like that. Very simple, very easy. And it'll lock itself in. Unless you push this button, it'll fully come out. Going back in, you have to push this button before you put it back in, or else it won't go back in. Subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to more Subaru and other makes and models. I'm going to show you guys how to put the seat back in. We took it out earlier, we vacuumed it, and we're putting it all back in the car now. Like I was saying earlier, if you flatten it out like this, it goes in a lot easier sliding inwards. I'll show you guys. It goes in like this. You miss it, miss the dashboard, miss the like so, and then lift it up like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug in our one there, one there, and one there. Now we can bring it down. So the black bolts go in the front. Try to line those up first. A little there. I just put these in hand tight in the beginning. I'm going to the back first. We need the other 2 bolts. All right, let's go to the back. Obviously, push the seat forward enough so you can see everything. All right. So you got those 2 covers, and then put this bolt in here. Got this bolt to put in right here. Untighten these guys. Then these covers. This one goes on this side. You can kind of see the way it's formed to the perfect. That is how you install the seat. And we'll put that one back over there on that side. And then come back to the front, roll this guy back, because we got the 2 black tins here that need to be tightened. And that's how basic and easy it is to do the two front seats. So we've cleaned everything underneath it. You know, if your kids are dropping toys, change, whatever, this is a good way of cleaning it one day instead of taking it into the detail shop. Spend some time at home and do it yourself. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more stuff going on than usual today, so thanks for watching.